What are we here to do for you? Crops!
Crops of
Wima, Okay, so you guys are the ones guarding the area.
Yes.
To prevent intruders from entering foresting this area. Protecting the wildlife around here. That's great. Thank you very much. What's your name, please? Clinton Alban. You?
It's one Sunday.
It's one Sunday, and
Michael Edem.
and nice to meet you, and thanks for the good work that you're doing to protect the environment.
Hey, I believe you.
I'm meeting fishermen around here. And we are here for fishing. I was also told you did some in another river the other day. So please, may we know what today is going to be like?
Our fishing. Want to try our best. Anyhow, thank God.
Okay. So you come to a fishing, you are not so sure of how many you can catch.
Yes.
But you know that you're going to catch fishes.
Yes.
Thank you very much. May I know who you are, sir?
Yes.
One of them too? One of the fishermen. And the diver. I have not seen any diver today.
The chair. The chair.
The chair. The chair. Okay. They nickname him the chair. You are one of the only patrol around here too. Thank you very much for the good work for protecting nature, the beautiful environment. Thank you very much. Fish has just been caught out of the water.